Hey guys, Richard here. So I'm going to be doing something very, maybe slightly stupid. I'm going to be spending $100 and I'm going to buy 10 different cryptocurrencies, amounting to $1,000 in total. I'm going to be doing on CoinSpot because it's just easy for me to do it instead of doing it on Binance, for example. I'm going to drag and drop pretty much everything into a roulette here, and I'm going to spin it and I'm going to buy the first 10 that it spits out. It could be Bitcoin, it could be something I'd never heard of before. It's going to be pretty exciting. I think it's going to be pretty silly as well. But I want to see if it beats some of the index funds out there, beats some of the returns I get from putting my money in a term deposit or something like that. It would be cool to see actual returns, but we'll never know. Maybe I'll lose it all. Who knows? So yeah, let's get straight to the video and let's start rolling. Alright guys, let's start spinning. I removed the sound, it's a bit too loud, but if you like the sound next time, just let me know. Maybe it's a bit of ambience. I'm going to look up each one just to give you some context on what I'm buying. I'm probably going to know none of these, honestly, unless it lands on like Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example. LTO network. Yeah, that's definitely something I don't know. Let's see what it does. LTO network is a hybrid blockchain for securing, verifying, and exchanging business critical information. That's interesting. Not sure why that's valuable though. Let's see. United Nations Habitat OICT LTO network released first open source urban land registry solution for the government of Afghanistan. Interesting. Okay. I wouldn't think cryptocurrencies could be involved in this. I mean, it can be involved in anything, but it's not something that I commonly would see. So let's go to LTO here. Let's see, 6.9 million cap. I think this is an AUD though. So let's go. Let's buy some LTO. And let's see, just hopefully I'm recording and buy. So a little fee here. That's 1%, and boom, done. We spent our first $100. Interesting concept. Not sure how it will return, but yeah, let's go back straight into the roulette again. Alright, so second spin. So let me know if you like these type of things. I was thinking of doing it with other types of, looking up what people are saying on forums and just buying what they have in there and seeing how it performs. So you never know, maybe people are experts in those forums. Ethereum Classic. So this is interesting. Ethereum Classic. So this is, I'm not 100% sure what exactly this is compared to Ethereum, honestly. I've heard of it, definitely. I don't know if this is just like another version of Ethereum. Original author is the guy who created Ethereum, it looks like. So yeah, that's interesting. Okay, I mean, this is probably a more common one that people might have. So we'll just Classic. So this will be interesting to buy. Yeah, we'll see. Never know. As you can see, I don't have any of it. So let's just buy 100. If I do land on something I won't buy it just to keep a bit more transparent. So honestly, I probably won't buy stuff like Bitcoin, Ethereum, stuff like. I want to see how some of the less known coins less known cryptocurrencies will perform. So boom, bought 100, and we'll continue. Okay, so number 3. Let's see what we get. So I swear I should know where Ethereum Classic came from, but my knowledge of cryptocurrencies is I've kind of lost interest for the last couple of years, and then I kind of came back in when everyone started rebuying stuff. Dust Network. Okay, so Dust Network. It's a technology for securities and open source and secure blockchain infrastructure that businesses use to tokenize financial instruments. Okay, so this is a bit more. It's a bit more straightforward in what they do. What's their market cap, actually? I'm curious. Dusk Network. Let's just see. $504. So their market cap is 64 million. That's actually quite sizable. But as I said, I'm buying whatever the roulette lands on. So $100. Boom. $100. Return to dashboard, wallets. Okay, so this is the 4th spin now, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but hopefully this is the 4th spin. $700. So yeah. Okay, let's see what we get. Hopefully something maybe I know this time at least. Decred, yeah, don't know that. Man, I do not know these cryptocurrencies. Decred is an autonomous digital currency with a hybrid consensus system and is built to be a decentralized, sustainable, and self-ruling currency. Sounds like every cryptocurrency, to be honest. Market cap 0.06. Interesting. All right, you know what? Let's do a just to give kind of like some bit of a more interesting look. Let's take a look at the graphs for this one. We'll pin it on the Bitcoin. This is a 1 hour graph. Let's look at a 1 day graph. I mean, trend line looks pretty good. I mean, this looks pretty solid. I don't know what the hell it does, honestly. But you know what? This is, as I said, I'm buying anything that it lands on. The cred, $100, 0.04, and boom. We have bought it. Just checking I'm recording because I don't want to accidentally not record. Okay, cool. Interesting. All right, next one. So let's see what we get next. Let's just close that. Alrighty. So this is the 5th one now. Let me know if you want this to be quicker next time, or you like me going through each one just to kind of like, you know, give a bit of context so you guys can learn what it is as well. I'm happy just to, you know, spend a minute, just boom, 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 buy it. BNB. So, I mean, everyone knows what BNB is. It's the Binance Token. So Binance's own coin. Definitely did not want to buy this, to be honest. Just because I mean, I know what it is, and yeah, I mean, this is how it is. I don't really want to buy this, but I got to stick to the challenge. But at least it's something that I know. But yeah, we'll buy that, and we'll just go to the next one. I think most people know what BNB is. If you don't know, it's Binance is a Bitcoin exchange or cryptocurrency exchange. It's one of the world's biggest ones, and it's their own coin that you can trade with. So yeah, that's probably the best way to explain it. Wallet. And let's see what we get. So this should be the number 6, number 5, number 6. I think number 6. Okay. Helium. Actually, I looked this up recently because I was like, who call themselves Helium? And this is an interesting one. I think this is the one where people on Reddit are buying. I don't know what you call it, but like, it's like a Wi-Fi thing, I think. Or am I thinking of the wrong one? I think this is the Wi-Fi one. What is Helium? Glad you asked. I ain't watching a video, but I do see a router, so I think I'm right. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong or right. But I think this is the one where you can, basically, if you live in a very dense area, you can buy some kind of Wi-Fi thing and you chuck it on your window. And then if people use the Wi-Fi, you get some kind of return from it or something like that. So, concept's pretty interesting. So yeah, let's buy some. Oh, so this is the, okay, so I already own Helium. I don't know if I should buy it, but I'm gonna buy it anyway because it's not one of the popular ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, for example. Hopefully you guys are okay with this, because it is I did it by Roulette, and it's also why I was so familiar with it, because I was like, I heard of this one, and I bought it recently. My brain just doesn't work. So we'll buy 100 of Helium again, and confirm buy. Definitely, this is not rigged. I'm definitely spinning this right now. As you can see, I'm going to spin it right now again, and we'll see what we get. So this should be a couple more to go. Hopefully, this has been interesting to you to see what kind of cryptocurrencies have popped up, or altcoins, whatever you want to call them. Ocean Protocol, definitely do not have this one, unless like I bought it like years ago for some reason. Ocean Protocol unlocks the value of data. Data owners and consumers use Ocean Market to publish and discover, consume data in a secure way or something like that, probably. It's $38 million market cap. Alright, let's just take a quick read. Tools for the Web3 data economy. Okay. Interesting. Alright. If you want to read more, go ahead, but I'm gonna keep this quick. I don't want to dilly-dally too long, because obviously you guys are watching this probably because I'm to spin and see what I'm landing on, and maybe it's one of the investments that you guys have. But we'll buy 100 of this, confirm buy, and boom. So we'll go back to the wallet and we'll continue spinning. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this type of stuff once again. It's definitely an interesting experience for me. I basically took this idea off my mates who actually did this as well, and he actually made a 90% return. But he decided to, like, you know, pick and take time and stuff like that. V4 token. This is VET, right? I think I have this one. Yeah, VeChain. I'm gonna skip this one because I think I do have some, yeah, as you can see, I have a bit of, so yeah, I'm gonna skip this one. Hopefully that's okay with you guys. I don't want to keep picking coins that, or cryptocurrencies I already have. I want to do some new ones which aren't in my portfolio and see how I perform over time. So we'll skip this one. Hopefully that's okay for you guys. So if it lands on Bitcoin or anything like that as well, I'm also going to skip it. I want to choose something a bit more Wild Wild West kind of style, something that I've never heard of. So yeah, let's just keep going. Nav Coin. Alright, so this is one I don't have, so I'm very sure. This one is an open source blockchain based proof of stake cryptocurrency. It's a platform that run by its users for its users. Sounds like pretty much every platform. 2.5 million market cap, so quite low to be honest. Nav Coin. Wait. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. Alright, so let's buy 100 of these. We're almost done, so let me know if it's taking too long. But I'm gonna buy this, and we'll go straight back into it. I just realized I could just be in this window, buy and sell. You guys can't see how many cryptocurrencies I have. As you guys might know, you can hack other people's cryptocurrencies if you have that information. So never share that information to others. Don't share the exact amounts because people can hack you. So yeah, let's go back into it. And this, how much do I have? $200. So 2 more to go. So hopefully we'll get this done and dusted quickly, and then you guys can go back to watching other videos. So yeah, let's see what we get. Pancake Swap. I mean, so this is I think it's an exchange. Once again, you're kind of buying like BNB. You're buying their coin, and use Pancake Swap coins or whatever you want to call it to swap into other less known altcoins that are probably not on exchanges right now. So yeah, it's a very decentralized platform, and something once again I don't want to buy. However, it is as part of the game here, and I'm going to buy 100 of this dollars worth. And let's see the last one we'll get. Hopefully it's a good one. I want to pick something that has pretty good tech, very like not noticed before, and yeah, something that's just a good mission overall, I guess you could say. So that's what we get. Auction doesn't sound that promising, honestly. I'll be honest. Let's do crypto here. It doesn't even show what it is. Let's just take a quick look. Let me just go back here. I don't think this exists. It doesn't have a market cap here. So it looks like, I might be wrong here, has changed to auction. Alright, I don't know what this is. It looks like it's now changed to something else called Binance Token. Does it even trade is the question. Because there isn't any, wait, let's see, let me take a quick look. There isn't any volume is my concern. Alright, so I'm going to skip this one. This could be one of those coins that have changed into something else, and I don't know, but I'm not going to buy something that's not going to go up and down. So yeah, that's just how it is. Sorry if some people might go, oh, you're doing it wrong now, but I mean, it is technically my money, and I don't want to buy something that doesn't look like it's being traded. Okay, so let's see what we land. Hopefully this one is traded and has volume and stuff. Dragon Chain. Okay, I mean, this is a pretty popular one, I think. I've definitely heard of it when I first, and it's definitely been around for a while, is what I'm saying. So they is a blockchain-based company ecosystem originally developed by Disney in 2014. By Disney? Holy crap! I did not know this. Okay, is it? That's interesting. All right, you know what? I trust Disney. I don't know if this is still owned by Disney or whatever, but let's spend the last $100 on that, and boom, that should amount to 0. So we've spent 10. We spent just then 10 different. We bought 10 different cryptocurrencies for $100 each, amounting to $1,000. Yeah. Okay. So here's the final look. We'll make it a bit big. Actually, I'll just edit it so it'll be bigger. So we got Dragon Chain, Pancake Swap, Nav Coin, Ocean, Helium, Binance Coin, Decreed, Dusk, Ethereum Classic, and LTO Network. So we've got some pretty big names in there on a I guess top 100 scale. Definitely some ones which are very low market cap. So it's a pretty good mix overall, I think. I think this is actually a pretty good mix of cryptocurrencies. A lot of which I don't know, some of which surprisingly I do know. So yeah, let's see how it performs. I'll make another video when something interesting happens. Maybe if one of them just like explodes in popularity, or if one of them just completely crashes, I'll make a video. But yeah, look out for the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, so you can keep in contact with the updates I'm going to throw on these cryptocurrencies, and I'll be tracking them very closely to see how they perform. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.